Can decongestants help with snoring during pregnancy? Have you ever wondered if decongestants can ease snoring during pregnancy? This is a common concern for many expectant mothers. Snoring often occurs due to nasal congestion and swelling, which can be more pronounced during pregnancy. So, let's break down how decongestants might play a role in this situation. First, snoring is caused by the vibration of tissues in the upper airway while sleeping. It can be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea, a condition where breathing is interrupted due to blocked airways. Pregnancy can increase the chances of developing sleep apnea, mainly due to weight gain and changes in body structure. Decongestants are medications designed to relieving nasal congestion by reducing swelling in the nasal passages. Some decongestants, like those containing oxymetazoline, are often considered safe for short-term use during pregnancy. However, it is essential to use them cautiously and only for a few days to prevent rebound congestion, which can make nasal issues worse. While decongestants may help with nasal congestion, they do not directly address snoring caused by throat obstruction. If snoring is primarily due to nasal issues, decongestants might provide some relief. However, if the snoring is due to throat blockage, other strategies may be more effective. There are several practical steps to help reduce snoring during pregnancy. One effective method is adjusting your sleeping position. Sleeping on your side can keep your airways open and reduce snoring. Maintaining a healthy weight is also important, as excess weight can contribute to snoring and sleep apnea. Using saline nasal sprays is a safe alternative to decongestants. These sprays can help alleviate nasal congestion without the risks associated with decongestant medications. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare provider is always a good idea before trying any medication. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that any treatment is safe for both you and your baby. In summary, while decongestants can help with nasal congestion, they are not a guaranteed solution for snoring during pregnancy. Addressing snoring effectively often involves a combination of lifestyle changes and careful use of medications under medical supervision.